vegan quesadillas. I'm making, it's shaking. Vegan quesadillas, tortilla and cheese. I need it if you please. Tortilla and cheese and kale if you please. We're making, we're shaking. I'm quaking tortillas. We're making, I'm shaking. It's bacon quesadillas. Whoa, we're making vegan quesadillas. So I just added in my sauce, first things first. Now I'm gonna add in my cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Hey, this was like the perfect song. It's like it knew exactly how it was supposed to come on. Hey! We're making, I'm shaking, we're quaking quesadillas. I'm making with vegan cheese and everything. Adding the kale, you never will fail. Adding the kale, jump it up, you'll never fail. We're making, I'm shaking, I'm quaking quesadillas. Let's get that good, that easy quesadillas. It's vegan, so vegan, and heal your body and your soul. It's vegan, and you know that you lose control. Hey, that was a vibe, y'all. That was a vibe. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this halfway. Boom! Just flip it over with your hand, and then spread it out, push it down, and we gonna mess around, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, ah, ah, ah. Vegan cheese, if you please. Vegan cheese, if you please. Vegan cheese quesadilla, easy and delicious. Vegan cheese quesadilla, yeah, you know you need this. Vegan cheese quesadilla, easy and delicious. Vegan cheese quesadilla, yeah, you know you need this. Get in the kitchen, give it a go, put on a show. Hey, yeah, vegan cheese quesadilla. All right, y'all, now that we have fully vibed out, I am going to twist and shout and show y'all what this is all about.